How to fix Facebook video no sound. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix Facebook video no sound on your Facebook app problem. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up your Facebook. Then simply search for a video. Now initially, if you didn't know, videos have this small icon on the bottom right here that says no sound. All you have to do is tap on it to play the sound. So tap on that and the sound should play. But if that's not working with you, if that's not how your device works, what you can do is go to your menu on the bottom right. Then you will need to search for your media. So you'll need to head over to your media setting. For that, head over to settings on the top right. On your settings on the top right, what you'll then need to search for is your media and contacts. So you can find your media. It's not that hard. It's right here under preferences. Tap on that. And here on the top, you'll find sounds section that says in-app sound. All you have to do is turn that on. After you turn that on, your problem should be fixed. There are also other different options right under here that says autoplay. And yeah, you can see reels start with sound. You can turn that on. You can turn on stories start with sound as well. And doing that, your problem should be fixed. And now your videos should have sound on Facebook. But if that does not work for you, head over to your settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, then search for Facebook. What we're doing here is we're trying to clear out Facebook's cache memory. So head over to size, there is Facebook, tap on Facebook and tap on offload app. Offload your app and then reinstall it back again, and that should fix the issue. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.